Hi guys, I'm Nor from Tata and today I want to show you how to transfer a PDF pattern into fabric so you could make any design of embroidery you like. We're going to start on my Etsy shop. You can scroll down and go to my PDF embroidery patterns. You can select any pattern you want. I'm going to do the letters today, so I'm going to type letters so I can find them more easily, and just select the letter you want or any design. After you select that, you just add to your cart and download the pattern to your desktop. Open the PDF, go to the last page, it's page 7. You can print only that page, so select pages, type in number 7, which is the last page, and print. We're going to take that page and put it against a window. I recommend do it on a daylight. I'm using here washi tape to tape my page against the window, and now I'm going to also tape my fabric over the page. You can use either a pencil or a pen, just whatever you have at home. I like to use pen, so let's do that. Sometimes I need to go over a little bit on the page itself to make the mark a little bit darker. And that's it. It's really easy. Anyone can do it. You can go and watch my other tutorials to know how to embroider this pattern. And thank you so much. See you next time.